Hi.
Hi, 你好. I'm William Power of Zhongshan Lijie. We are in China, Guangdong province. Yeah, we have a three division of connector and cable assembly. We can control every process in the cable. It's our 8K HDMI cable.
Nice. So you have a lot of AK cables.
Yeah, we have a
HDMI 2.1.
Yeah, 2.1. We have 11 certification to 25 feet. And
Nice.
also we have a 4K extra long HDMI cable without signal booster. We can meet 25 meter at 4K 30 Hz.
All right. That's a passive cable.
Yeah, passive cable.
Nice.
Our
And
main product is passive
here
cable.
you show also this is like
this is,
AK.
Yeah, also AK cable.
It's quite long, this one, no?
5 meters.
Right. And this is your factory in China?
Yeah.
How many cables you make? A lot? Millions?
Million, yeah. About million.
And what do we see here?
You mean this cable?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is this how the cables are inside?
Yeah. We have our own cable factory in. Yeah, this is our cable factory.
That's the factory right there.
Yeah.
Nice. And you do a lot of other cables also, like Type C?
Just like Type C, USB 24 watt.
Nice. And you have a high reliability?
Yeah, we have a world first and world longest cable, just like display port 2.1, 54 gigabps cable. We have a certification and 80 gigabps cable. We all have a certification. Yeah.
All right. And you have customers all over the world?
Yeah, we have a customer all over the world.
What's happened here?
No, we also have equipment, automation equipment. We made our automation equipment. Yeah.